Feel like I'm gonna kiss you, standing in that mistletoe.
Wow. All right now, what you say?
Santa came down to tell me
What he did?
half past 3.
Yeah.
Left all them a good old present from a baby for me. Merry
Merry
Christmas, baby.
Christmas. Surely treated nice. Yeah. It's for my old, it's for my grown and sexy, you heard me? For the grown folks, you heard me? What you know about that, nephew? Oh, this is my uncle and them, you heard me? My grandma, my grandpa and them, you heard me? My mama, you heard me? Yeah. It's Christmas, you heard me? We in the spirit. And this bitch whipping it up in the kitchen, you dig? We got Chef Queen T in the kitchen, you hear me? Yeah.